Hi. I'm here. I'm supposed to be here. Yes, I am. Can you just talk to me for a second? You can't hear me. I've been invited here by Tim Green. I'm with New Zealand Doctor. I'm supposed to be filming the event. Can I come in, please? Excuse me, I'm here. I've been invited here by Tim Green.
Got your invitation?
No, we didn't get an invitation from New Zealand Doctor.
It's too late to go in now.
Can you talk to Tim and just check? You say Jenny's from New Zealand Doctor is here. He will tell you that I'm allowed to come in. Yes. This is me. Yep, there's my ID. From New Zealand Doctor newspaper. I've been invited to come here to film it.
You got any business ID or anything?
I should have a business card here. Hang on.
Not that boy there, no.
Right, thank you.
Generous enough to Auckland Medical Research Foundation, who has funded for this lecture theatre. The library is new, so the Fulton Library card is new, but that was an already card. There's 505 is an entirely new construction. Tutorials and classes like that are held here. There are about 15 of these in the faculty. We have 2 more which accommodates about 100 students. I'm going to take you there now.
We used to just be bone research, but now we're doing a lot of skeletal cells. So we'll do tendons, cells from tendons we can grow. We've got wonderful surgeons that we get samples from surgeries that patients donate to the research, and then we have tendons, cartilage, bone, muscle we can do, because they're all sort of connective tissue involved with the skeleton. And then we have obstetrics and gynecology. So this is what we call the wet lab area, where we do a lot of general work. And then we have, so we have this area, and then we have obstetrics and gynecology, and there's molecular medicine, and there's some cancer research. And so we're sort of what we call a cluster. And it's working very nicely, and beautiful new labs and things, which actually state of the, compared to when I travel overseas, it's just absolutely lovely. So we're very few teething problems, and it's working efficiently, and we're all getting on well, and so it's lovely. Gone are the days of kind of having an individual seat and all your own things. So we work in areas. So we've got Bai down here. He does sort of doing some gel work, and there's areas for measuring proteins from samples. Yeah, we have histology, where we'll look at different types of bone and sort of look at them microscopically. And then we have people around here making RNA and DNA. So we look at changes in cells with different bone active factors and things like that. So it all begins in here, where there is some animal tissue. We have the human tissue, as I mentioned. You can get sort of immortal cell lines that aren't the real, they're not quite normal, but they're very useful. So we would screen bone active factors, or we're doing a lot of scaffold work. We're looking at trying to repair tendons, and so it's very exciting. All new sort of relatively relatively new field. These hoods are where you work to keep everything sterile because you don't want bacterial infections and things like that. Bush has got a flask here that she's looking at, and the cells just grow on the bottom